Looking for reliable commercial window tinting services in Murfreesboro, Tennessee? Welcome to Tint Guy LLC. We specialize in commercial window film installations that protect, enhance, and save you money. From retail storefronts to office complexes, we help businesses stay cool, private, and professional. Why choose window tinting for your business? Unfiltered sunlight overheats your workspace, fades furnishings, and spikes your energy bills. Our 3M trademark certified window films block 99% of harmful UV rays and reduce solar heat by up to 60%. That means lower utility costs, a more comfortable environment year-round, and you'll also gain better privacy without blocking natural light. Your clients see clarity, not clutter, while your inventory and interiors stay protected. Our films even add a layer of security with shatter-resistant properties for peace of mind. And when it comes to curb appeal, your building gets an instant style upgrade. Every project is custom measured, expertly installed, and backed by a lifetime guarantee. No fine print. With over 800 five-star Google reviews, our reputation speaks for itself. At Tint Guy LLC, we don't cut corners. We deliver flawless results every time. Let us help you reduce costs, boost efficiency, and upgrade your business image. Based in Murfreesboro, proudly serving Rutherford County and surrounding areas. Call Tint Guy LLC today for your free commercial tinting consultation. Visit tintguylc.com. Your windows will thank you.